everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neha and I'm here to teach you basic tips and tricks of makeup. And in today's lesson, I'm going to tell you how to do your eyebrows step by step. So without further delay, let's start.
Here, first I'm taking a balm to set my eyebrow hair. You can take any lip balm or petroleum jelly in very small amount and just apply it over your eyebrows. Now with help of spoolie brush, we'll comb our eyebrow. If you don't have spoolie brush, you can use any mascara wand. Just comb over your eyebrows in upward direction, as you can see here. And now with an angled brush and cream formula eyebrow filler from Makeup Obsession, I'm going to draw a guideline. You can use an eyebrow pencil as well. Just put your brush like this from inner side of your nostril. This point will be starting point of your lower line. And outer side of your nostril will be the starting point of your upper eyebrow line. Starting from that lower point, draw a line along with your natural eyebrow and do the same from the upper point as well. Just remember, these 2 points will never be equal. Lower point will always be a little inside towards your nose and upper point will always be a little behind. And here, I'm doing my other eyebrow with an eyebrow pencil for your reference of doing a guideline. And here, we are done with our guidelines. Now I'm taking the darkest shade from this palette and I'm just applying it over the guidelines. Just remember, don't fill dark color on this area of your eyebrow. Only fill the 3/4 area of your eyebrow and leave 1/4 area for filling with lighter shade. Now here, I'm filling rest of the area with light shade. Do this in small strokes. And here we are done with our eyebrows filling. And now I'm smudging the harsh line with my brow hair with help of a spoolie brush. This will mix up the light and dark shade and will give you a natural look. And now we will define our eyebrows with concealer to give it more clean and finished look. Take an angled brush and put some concealer on it and just apply on this area as I'm showing you here. Just below and just above your eyebrow. And now connect the concealer like this in V shape and fill this area as well. And now with help of a sponge, we will blend it to the skin so that all the harsh line will go away. And if you find doing it difficult with sponge, you can use a clean flat brush and just drag it to your outer area to clean the smudge harsh lines. And don't worry about that, it's looking lighter. Because as this step, the eyebrow finishing steps, are very first part of the makeup. So as soon as you move ahead with your foundation, the foundation will cover it and you will see the results at the end of this video. Just keep on smudging and blending it with your skin. So here we are done with our eyebrows. And there you are. You won't be able to find that light shade concealer around my eyebrows as it's already got blended with my foundation. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to watch more makeup tutorial like this, don't forget to subscribe, like and share and press the bell icon for future updates. I'll see you soon with a brand new one. Bye bye and thanks for watching.